Patakin, legend, Shangó, the baker. Shangó was a baker, but he was going through a difficult situation. Since he had no job and nothing to work with, he would gather with 5 friends who spent their time drinking. After Shangó got drunk, he would return home and cause trouble with his wife. She would tell him to be patient and have faith, assuring him that little by little he would find work, but he was skeptical. One day, his friends told him, "Let's go see Olófin and see if he can help us with our situation." Shangó was hesitant at first, but he finally agreed, and they went to see Olófin. Olófin told them, "Each of you take an elëgüèdè, pumpkin, and bring it home." The friends started complaining, saying, "All this trouble for this? If we had known, we wouldn't have come. After all, he only gave us some pumpkins." Then they told Shangó that they didn't want them and that he should take them all. Shangó arrived home, and his wife asked him, "What did Olófin tell you?" Shangó responded, "This nonsense. Just throw them away. These pumpkins are useless." The next day, Shangó went out to look for work. Meanwhile, since his wife had nothing to cook, she decided to open the pumpkins to prepare them. To her surprise, they were filled with gold coins. She opened the rest and found they were full of gold as well. At that moment, Shangó's friends arrived, looking for him to go drinking. His wife quickly covered the coins on the table with her apron before opening the door. When they asked for Obara, she told them that he wasn't home, that he had gone out looking for work. They said, "All right, we'll wait for him on the corner so he can have some drinks with us." Shangó returned home, hungry and frustrated, saying to his wife, "Don't tell me anything. I didn't find work. I can't find anything and I'm exhausted." Then his wife uncovered the great fortune that Olófin had given them. Shangó was overjoyed and declared that he wouldn't give anything to his friends. Instead, he bought a horse, hired a full band of musicians, and went out with his wife singing, "Obara jundun dun dun, Obara jundun dun dun, bara." The entire town came out to see Obara, amazed at how his life had changed overnight. His friends were left in shock, wondering how Shangó had managed to afford such a magnificent carriage with so many musicians and that beautiful horse. At that moment, Olófin appeared, blessed Shangó, and said, "Everywhere your horse walks shall be yours, Monije."